So, hello everyone. We got a package, and this is from Myntra. And I don't know why this is having this big package. So, let me quickly take care of the big box. Oh my god, what is this? So, only for internal tracking purpose, MLUX3, and this is Myntra Luxe. So, your gateway to grandeur. And we have tape here, and then we have uh, on the opposite side two tapes. So I'll start with the top one. And what's inside is again small box. So I think this is specific to Myntra Luxe, so luxury shopping. And yeah, I think this product is a little luxury, but anyway, try to unwrap it. Oh my god, this is fossil ball, right? So it has product code DZ7429, MRP is 32495, and watch brand is Diesel, generic name watch, and this is of April 2025. And this, don't think so. This is a seal or it already broken, and then on top of it, I'm not sure, but let's keep it recorded so in case any issue comes. So as you can see, this is one seal. Why it's not opening? Sorry, my bad. Okay, so then inside that we have another box. Then let's keep it aside. Then warranty and battery information, and then the fossil group, well, warranty registered. Okay, that I'll take it up later. Keep it here, and then comes the diesel's red box. You can see sparks creaminess are the different one. So it's had some kind of a leather finish. I'm not sure if it is a real leather also. But time for the dun, dun, dun. So some documents. Nope. No, Silka. So this is Diesel Big Daddy. Sorry, Mr. Daddy 2.0. And I really like this watch, and kind of very big, but I really wanted to have this watch for me, and past many years. So finally have got it, and this is from Myntra, so I think it would be genuine as well. So we have some scanners available and some tags, and you will so these won't get kind of in a deals, so it's good that I got one. But again, if you see, it's running, right? So ideally that should have not been the case. Let's see, wear it and see. So this is how it looks. It looks a little bigger, very good. focus on this. So it has chrono, then one, two, three. Total four watches. You can set it for four different time zones as well. So I think that's a good part. Let me just sorry. Let me just show it once again so that you have a better view. So this is date, and then we have this chrono, minutes, hours, and seconds, and then this is the clock number 3, and this is the clock number 2, and then this is the time number 4. So previously I had put different countries based on the client I was working with. So, yeah. So let's see. Not sure at this point if it is working or not. Oh, that's not a copy product. You see, doesn't look like one. So maybe I have to do some research here. But ideally, this should let it start. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. And we have very good funky strap here with neon green, which is kind of my favorite color. Apart from orange, that KTM orange. So, yeah, so that's it. Thank you.